So here's how to create course inside Clickfunnels for beginners. Clickfunnels is an online tool for building high-converting websites and sales funnels. And it also has tons of features that you can utilize to give you a boost in the digital world. So if you want to start using Clickfunnels, click on my link down in the description. So now, as you can see, we're now in the pricing section of Clickfunnels. Here, you will get to see two options you can choose from: Startup and Pro. You can compare the features of each one and figure out which one you want. And once you figure out which one you need, you can start your 14-day free trial right away. So now from the home page, click on Login on the top right corner and log into your account. And as you can see, we're now in the Clickfunnels dashboard. So if you go over to the left panel, you will get to see this plus icon that says Add an App. Click on it. Then you will get to see a lot of options you can choose from. Scroll through and click on Courses from the options. So once you're in the Courses section, you will see a preview of what you can do. From here, click on Add App. After that, from this pop-up, you need to select what kind of course you want. So just select whichever one you want and click on Next Step. So after that, you will get to see this section. This is the first step in customizing your own course on Clickfunnels. So let's start off by typing in a title for your new course. As an example, I will type in social media right here. And once it's done, go over to the description section and type in a detailed description of your new course. Make sure to make it engaging. And you will also get to see if this URL is available. Now go over to the course image section and click on Select Image. On this section, you will get to see a lot of stock images. And also you can upload your own images if you want. And once you're done setting it all up, click on Next Step. Then it will take a few moments to load up. So just wait for your course to get created. Also, on the images and title section, make sure to be creative. And as you can see, our new course has been created just like that. You will get to see all the details about your course right here. And on the bottom panel, you can see your members, access, and customize options. If you go over to access, this is where you will allow access to this course through product purchases. But since it's a new course, there are no products that are configured for course access. So go over to the Products tab on the top left and click on All Products. On this section, click on Create Product right here. After that, you will get to see options like digital, physical, or bundle. After selecting your product type, you need to put in your product name. Then, type in a description for your product. And once you're done with all these steps, click on Create Product. Now, go back and click on Courses from the left panel. Then click on your newly created course. So here, once you're on the outline section, you will get to see modules. Now, click on Add New Module. After that, you will get to select your parent module. But since we don't have any, there are no options. Then, go ahead and type in a title. As an example, I will type Management. After that, you need to put in a description for your new module. Then, click on Select Image. After that, go through the same process and select an image or upload. You can also select stock photos from the Discover tab. And once you're done selecting your image, just click on Create Module. Then just wait for a few moments for it to get created. So as you can see, it's being loaded up and it's already here. So now that we have our first module, you can click on the plus icon right beside Empty over here. Then click on Add Lesson, or you can also select Add Submodule. But for now, we will click on Add Lesson. So on this part, as you can see, the parent module is selected as the one that we just created. So now, what you need to do is type in a title for your new lesson. Make sure to plan it right properly before you do this step. And after you're done with the title, click on AI on the right side. Then, you will get this pop-up of an AI where you can ask for help or get some guidelines. Then, click on Create Lesson. Now, just wait for it to get created. And we've got our first lesson under Management. Now click on the first lesson. After that, you will get to see an interface like this, and on the left side, you will have the option to customize and edit your lesson. And here, you can also see the specific domain of your lesson. So after the page is done loading up, you will get to see this plus icon on the top. Click on Add New Section. And on this part, you will get to see a lot of categories to choose from. After that, you can scroll through this section and select whichever template that you like. And I'm not gonna lie, they all look pretty good. Now, just scroll through and select the one you like, and you can drag them onto the plus icon. But for some reason, it didn't work for mine. So we will click on the Add Section tab on the top. After that, drag the template again. So now, as you can see, it has been added. From here, you can make all the necessary changes according to your preference. You can select the text and change it to whatever text you want. So as an example, let's type in Marketing 404. After that, click on Add Lesson on the top. After that, click on OK on this pop-up, and you will need to put in a title for your new lesson. So just type in your title and click on Create Lesson. So once you click on Create Lesson, you will get to see a screen like this. Now, you need to wait for it to get loaded up. And once it's done, you will get to see your newly created lesson right here. And now we have 2 lessons. So from here, you can manage your lessons through the options provided on the right side. Here, click on Draft. After that, you will get to see options like Publish, Drip, and Lock. So now we will click on Lock. And this is the section that you can use if you want to lock a certain lesson from your module. All you need to do is click on this drop down and select the episode you want to lock, and after that, just go ahead and click on Update Module. And once you're done with this step, go over to the Members area right beside Outline right here. And this is the section where you can see all the members enrolled in your course. And since it's a new course we just created, I am the only member available here. But once you publish your course, all the new members will be added right here. And after that, you will get to see their name, progress, the date added, origination source, and suspension. Also, you can use the search bar on the top to search for specific members, which will help you keep track of the enrollments and the members. So following these methods, you can easily create your own course on Clickfunnels, and you will have all the tools that you need in order to customize your course right here on Clickfunnels. And that is exactly how to create course inside Clickfunnels for beginners.